Hey guys, it's Neil, and today we're going to be doing a reaction video. Today we're going to be reacting to Me Letting It Rip Part 2 Loud, Thunderous, and Tunnel Farts compilation by Big Burger Boy 2005 main channel. So let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah! I can hear the shitting himself. Yeah, there's the 01 voted score. I can barely see a thing. Oh my god, he's farting. Oh! Hey. Fart sounds. Oh my god, farting.
Did he tell you to shut up like he told me to shut up earlier?
Yeah, that was his sister telling him to shut up. No! That was a fart. Oh my god. Yeah, I believe that was a whoopee cushion, but I'm not exactly sure.
If you haven't seen it for a while, then look it up on YouTube or wherever.
Oh, the liminal spaces, and then it shuts off. Liminal spaces. No. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this reaction video. That was so funny. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. I will see you next time, and this is me saying peace out.